Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna take a look at the all new Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite and tell you what's light about it. So let's first do the unboxing of this and see what's included inside the box. As you can see on the box, some popular supported apps are shown like Apple TV, YouTube, ZEE5, Voot. So some important information and all is given on the box. Like you can see, if you want, you can read it, pause and read it. So let's do the unboxing of the Fire TV Stick Lite and see what's included in the box. So let's keep the box to the side and see what's included in this box. So first of all, we have this Fire TV stick itself, then the USB cable, then the Alexa voice remote light, then this is the HDMI extender cable. And we get a quick start guide. And over here there's a compartment with two AAA batteries and a power adapter. So this is everything that is included inside the box. The Fire TV Stick Lite is similar in dimensions to the Fire TV Stick 2nd generation, and it's also similar to the Fire TV Stick 3rd generation. But there are some differences to note, like the processor over here is 1.7 GHz compared to the processor on the Fire TV Stick 2nd generation, which is 1.3 GHz. According to Amazon, this is 50% more powerful compared to the previous Fire TV sticks. One more difference about the Fire TV Stick Lite is that this remote is called the Alexa Voice Remote Lite, and this does not have the TV controls. So with this remote, there are no dedicated power and volume buttons for controlling the TV, unlike the 2nd and the 3rd generation, which have the TV controls. And also one major difference with the Fire TV Stick Lite and the Fire TV Stick 3rd generation is that it does not have Dolby Atmos. It only supports Dolby Audio. So I will put all the specs of the Fire TV Stick Lite on the screen. You can read it if you want. Now that I have connected the Fire TV Lite to my TV, so let's do the initial setup. One humble request: if you like what you're seeing, do subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting new tech videos every week. So I will do the initial setup and get back to you. So now that I have completed the initial setup, I have noticed no lag compared to the Fire TV Stick 2nd generation, which I have been currently using, as the Fire TV Stick Lite has a quad-core 1.7 GHz processor, which is 50% faster compared to the quad-core 1.3 GHz processor on the Fire TV Stick 2nd generation. You can see the example of what I am talking about on the screen now. It's much more smooth compared to the Fire TV Stick 2nd generation. So that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you like the video, and if you have any queries, do post them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.